Okay, in this video, what we want to do is take a Google form, something similar to this, and we want to create a QR code for this form for parents to fill it out. Ultimately, we want this QR code to end up on something that parents can scan, maybe a little flyer or something. So we're going to use this as a demonstration at the end to show how simple it is to not only create the QR code, but then to add it to a document that we've created. So first thing we need to do is have some tabs open. So first would be the form we're actually going to be working with. The second thing would be a QR code generator. For this one, I'm using qr-code-generator.com. There are many of these online, all of which have a free option. This one for me is very simple to use, and so we're going to use this one for the demonstration. So what I first need to do is come over here to my Google form. In the upper right-hand corner, I am going to send this form. And when I send it, though, I do want to focus on the link here. So I'm going to click on the link tab. You can see here's a link directly to my Google form. I am going to make sure to hit copy. And then I'm going to come over here to my QR code generator. Up here in the QR code generator, I'm going to simply enter that link. So I'm going to paste that link into this little window. And over here on the right-hand side, my QR code is going to be generated. Now, sometimes they are generated without the frame, which will give you just that inside part of the QR code. I prefer to have this little frame around it just to give parents reference of this is what we need them to scan. Now, once we have this generated, we are going to download this JPG file, which is just an image file. We're going to click on that. It does look like we need to sign up, but you'll see here it's being generated up here in the upper part of our screen. And in just a moment here, you're going to see down here in the lower left-hand corner that it is going to be downloaded. And there's our QR code. Now from here, I'm going to go to my desktop where I have this one saved. And then from here, to use this QR code, all I need to do is come over here to my document. I'm going to simply click and drag this onto my document here. And there's my QR code. Now from here, I can resize it. I can also click on little things here that allow me to move it around. And now I have full access to that. And any parent clicking on this code will then be redirected to the form to fill out. Now, one last thing on this form, and let me get back to the original view here, is when you are on this form, one thing you want to make sure is that in the settings, in order for parents to be able to actually access your form, we want to come down here to responses. And down here, it does say require sign-in. It says restrict to users in the Little Lake City School District and its trusted organizations. If you are going to ask parents to access this, you do want to make sure that this is turned off. If this is turned on, if anybody outside of llcsd.net is trying to access this form, it will not allow them to do so. So you do want to make sure that this option is turned off so that when parents do click on this link, they are able to access the form and complete it as needed. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know.